Everybody, welcome back. This is Ryan. Welcome to the investing channel. In tonight's video, I want to do another video on RNDR. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the chart and we'll look to see if there's any good entries, maybe some good exits, and we'll go from there. But for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I let you guys know of good potential entries and exits. I have a good percentage of being able to choose those and taking profit, and I will show you that in the video so that you can see. But let's go ahead. We'll get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're going to want to. Trust me. Subscribe to the channel over here and then smack that notification bell when it pops up. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll share my screen with you. We'll look at the charts, and then after we look at the numbers, what I'm going to do is, for those of you guys that are new, stay, and I'm going to share with you guys the history of good entries and exits that I've been doing so you can see. Okay, all right, let me go over here. Here we go. So here's RNDR. I'm pulling up the USDT. So let me quickly explain this to those of you guys that are new. When price action typically drops below these barriers that I've drawn on here, they usually more often than not will swing back. Usually it's more than that, more often than not. But I don't like to put definites in there. So let's look at a few here as examples. Here, it broke that line, right? And it came back up. Here, it broke that line and it came back up. It broke it again and it came back up. Over here, it broke it and it came back up. Over here, it broke it. It came up right over here. It broke this line. It has not come back. It's getting close though, right over in here. But over here, it broke it, came back up. It broke it, it came back up, broke it, came back up, broke it, came back up, broke it, came back up. So you can see more often than not, it's breaking it and it's coming back up. As long as you know where you are within the chart and within the lines, you should be able to pick good entries and good exits. Okay, so this is what I see when I look at it. If someone was to say, Ryan, here's $1,000 or here's $5,000, and you need to invest it in RNDR tonight, this is what I would look at, and this is what I would consider. Right now we're up 3.04. It could change by tomorrow. I don't do stop losses. I don't really look at too much at other indicators. I do a little bit, but not as much. So more often than not, if it's swinging, then I'm probably winning 9 out of 10 times. Okay, so if I had the money and I was jumping in right now, I would probably look at jumping in, right now. So roughly at $2.65, $2.65, but it has not swung back up to these levels or up to here. Now up here is a little bit more risky. Up here's, it hit those points. Once it usually hits those points, I move on. I don't consider it again. I only consider it once. But you can see here, here's some potential take profits, and you guys can write this down. Keep in mind, this isn't advice that you should jump in. You guys are going to do what you want to do, but I'm just letting you know like what I see on the chart. Okay, do your own due diligence. So potential take profit points, $2.84, anywhere up to this line of 459. So $2.84, roughly $3.26, $3.44, $3.69, and then you could just make your way all the way up to $4.56. But if I set my take profit right here, I might be waiting a while. So you guys got to be patient. Don't be emotional. And if it hits that point, I usually will not set my take profit higher than that, because many times it'll hit that point and then it'll drop down, or it'll go a little bit above it and then it'll drop down. So what I do is, once it hits that point, I sit back, I wait, I watch it for a few days, and I look to see if I see any other bases that I can draw. So if you guys are finding this cracking and going back up interesting, and you're finding it something that you haven't really seen before, please give me a thumbs up down below. It only takes a second, right over here on the little thumbs up icon. And that lets YouTube know that I'm providing you guys helpful information. So for those of you that have been watching my channel, if you guys want to drop off, you can, but if you want to stay, you're more than welcome to. But for those of you that are new, I'm going to share with you and show you that I have a successful rate at clearing trades, okay, at profit. So let me go over here. I'm going to share with you guys my channel. Here's my channel. What I do is I do updates here. I do price predictions on coins and stocks. I have a few more coming up tomorrow, which is going to be the 14th of February. 2022. So you can see here, I've done Shiba Inu here. I told you guys where I was jumping in and where I was taking profit. And once it took profit, I did a video. SLP, I jumped in over here and then I took profit over here. I did other videos too, and I was telling people to take their time with it and to wait and not sell. And let me show you that chart. Hold on just a second. Let me go find it here. You're going to be amazed at SLP. Boom, shakalaka, right there. Look at that jump. Everyone was nervous all the way down ever since the beginning of, well, even more than December, over in like November, just dropping and dropping, hovered down there and finally just took off. And a lot of people held. I was telling people kind of all along here as I was making a few videos, hold, it's going to come. And then it did. So I got a lot of responses that people were happy that they held. Okay, so let me get back to RNDR. So you can see my channel. You can go and watch any of my old videos if you want. I got take profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. And then as you go down, took profit, took profit. So, and then I've got my spreadsheet here. You can see all the way through here, a bunch of it cleared. All these ones that have cleared, these are the ones I'm just waiting on. I've got my entry points, my exit points, how much I have invested, what my profit's going to be, and what my percentage of profit's going to be. And then even over here, I've got cleared, and I got 3 more, cleared, right? So I'm jumping into a lot of these coins myself, and I'm also doing videos for other people that are asking me to do a revisit on the charts. So if you guys are in any coins right now and you want me to take a look at it and maybe do a video on it, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know what you're in on and what price you jumped in at, okay? And even if it's a stock, I'll take a look at it too. Stocks are a little more iffy. News on stocks can really affect stocks. So, but the rule of thumb seems to be working pretty good with stocks that are solid, right? Okay, so thanks guys for watching. Remember, if you didn't subscribe yet, please do so over there and then smack that bell, and then a thumbs up is greatly appreciated, all right? I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.